Oh, hi, I'm Amelia. I'm a student here, studying education. Is there something you needed help with? Yeah, actually, there was this one kid in my placement. He kept getting frustrated during math, like, really shut down. I noticed he was trying to do everything the exact way the teacher showed, step by step. But when I sat with him and asked him to just explain what he was thinking, he had this whole different way of understanding it. Honestly, I'm still figuring that out. It's overwhelming sometimes. I try to start with the main objective and then plan a few different ways to get there, like visual stuff, hands-on activities, maybe some discussion. But it's a lot to juggle, and I don't always get it right. There was this girl, second grade. She'd just sit there during reading time, staring at the page. Wouldn't ask for help, wouldn't raise her hand, just quiet. It reminded me of myself, actually. When I was that age, I struggled with reading too, felt invisible in a big classroom. I started sitting with her during independent work time. Didn't push too hard at first, just let her know I was there. Classroom management is honestly one of the hardest parts for me. I don't have a loud presence, so getting attention can be tough. I've seen teachers use a lot of different approaches. Some do the reward system, stickers, points, that kind of thing. It works for some kids, but I don't know. It feels a bit mechanical to me, like we're just training them instead of actually connecting. The teachers I respect most use clear routines and expectations. They're consistent, but not harsh. They explain why rules exist instead of just enforcing them. That makes more sense to me. Assessment should inform what you do next. That's the point, right? To figure out what kids know and what they still need. In my placements, I've seen it used a lot of different ways. Some teachers do quick checks, exit tickets, thumbs up or down, that kind of thing, just to gauge understanding before moving on. I like formative assessment better than summative, the stuff that happens during learning, not just at the end. It gives you a chance to actually adjust and help kids before they fail a test. Confidence, honestly, just believing I can actually do this. I second guess everything, every decision, every interaction. It's exhausting. I know I need to trust myself more, but it's hard when you're constantly worried you're messing up.